Hi guys, here is a quick fix to you already have an AdSense account. Now one of our friends had an issue with connecting the AdSense account to his YouTube. Every time he tried to connect his YouTube to AdSense, he received this email. You already have an AdSense account, and unfortunately, he had no idea or access to this email ID, preferably because it was a very old account and he wasn't sure. So to get this resolved, open your Chrome browser and simply go to this link. I will provide this URL, so you will see this chat option. I don't want to initiate the chat, but you can share the channel URL here and write your issue and start the chat session. And make sure to log in from the same email you are using for YouTube. And also have your identity documents ready. My friend presented his driver's license. Also note that this feature may not be available to everyone. Let me show you. Copy this URL and I will open the link with another account. So here I am redirected to this page. This is because this account is not eligible for chat support. In that case, you will need to go to this link. If you do not see the chat option, make sure you are signed into the channel that's eligible for support. If you still can't get in touch with us, let us know using the send feedback button. So if you can't contact YouTube, open your YouTube account, click on your name and click on send feedback. You can also cap the screen. You can open this inside a YouTube Studio too and write your issue here and they will try to get back to you. Anyway, my friend was able to resolve this and his account is now monetized. This took a couple of days to resolve. Thank you very much.